Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by equipping the paintbrush and the smallest required paints. Do this now so you avoid inventory juggling mid-action. Once equipped, hold the brush steady and open the radial paint menu. Choose the base color that matches your intended pattern. Make sure you face a flat surface. Walls and tree trunks react predictably. You'll see a faint outline that guides placement. Move slowly to align the outline before you commit to the first stroke. Now you apply layered strokes. Press and release to lay short detail lines or hold to draw longer, even fills. Switch colors between strokes to blend. The game samples adjacent pixels so quick swaps create smooth transitions. Keep an eye on stamina and brush durability. If either drops low, pause and step back to let regen or repair. Once you've built 2 to 3 layers, zoom out to assess contrast and balance. Small adjustments finish by sealing the painting. Apply the varnish item to lock colors and prevent weather fade. You must be precise, make one even pass and wait for the curing animation. If the brush durability is low, repair before sealing. Repairs maintain stroke quality. If colors look wrong after curing, strip by painting a neutral base layer and repaint. This resets pigments. If nothing fixes it, relog or reposition and retry the full process to clear visual glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.